You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 12,250,000. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 3 equals 1000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 3.5 times 1000 equals 3500. Simplify exponents and square roots. 3500 to the power of 2 equals 1225000. And so the final result is 12,250,000.